At Nordisk, we insist on making the best possible sleeping bags with the smallest possible footprint. We believe that the only way animal welfare and sustainability can go hand in hand with a world-class sleeping bag experience is by owning the entire production process. That's why we craft every single down sleeping bag by hand in our own factory in Germany, using only upcycled, traceable and European down, as we have done for 40 years. A Nordisk down sleeping bag is a companion for life. Nordisk, made for great adventures since 1901.